Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you need to back up your Trello board? In this video, we will show you how to export your Trello board, whether for analysis or documentation purposes. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, first of all guys, you need to go to your Trello account and basically go to one of your boards. So, for example, for me here, I have a couple of these. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this exam one. And here, as you can see, I have these boards. So in this board here, of course, you can click here and see it. You can here and customize it to view it as table, as calendar, as whatever you want. But here we have the as board. So how can we exactly basically export it and have it somewhere in our PC and basically be able to share it with other people? In that case, we'll be using this power up. It is called board exports. It can be exporting your board in Excel, CSV, PDF, and image. Let me show you how. First of all, we need to add the power up. You will click on add power up, choose your board, and then click on add. After that, go to your board. Once you have done that, you will be able to view it right here. After clicking on it, you will have to sign in with Trello. Let me just sign in and give it few permissions. There we go, hello. And here we are. Now log in into Collectic account to view your profile and manage your accounts. So let's log in. There we go. So here you have to create an account within this platform. Click on sign up, and basically here you should create your accounts. So I'm gonna create mine very quickly. So there it is. Here we go. Click on continue, and just like that, my account should have been created. Now once it is created, you will find it here, Trello authorization active, and your account is connected. If you click here on export, you will have here your boards. All your boards will be here. But just in fact, this is not a free tool. This is a paid. So make sure that you only get it once you have your boards ready to be exported, since you will have a 14 days delay before the free trial will end. So here, as you can see, I have 3 boards: to revise, ongoing, and done. This is just as an exam preparation thing. For example, I have to revise for physics, science of engineering, and SVT. And here there is like done mathematics, and here let's say I'm going, let's do this SE. So with these being 3 here, if I want to export any one of them, I'm simply gonna click on board export again, and I'm going to choose the ongoing one, which has the SE one. So I'm going to choose this one, as you can see, and I'm going to export list. Click right here. Once you clicked on it, you will have 2 things or 2 ways of exportation or format. There's the image one and there's the raw data one. For the image one, you could choose to be a PDF or PNG. In the raw data, it could be a CSV or basically an Excel. Let's try first with the image. I'm gonna click on export, and this is how it looks like. This is the board title, or basically the ticket, and this is like the board title, and here the list, ongoing. Now what if I try to export it in PNG? Here, let me just open it. Here it is. Exams, ongoing, SE. Of course, they have added this as like a watermark, so you just have to cut it. Now, once you have done, we tried these 2, let's try the other 3, or the other 2 as well, which are the format one. So we have the CSV, choose fields to export. Let's choose all fields. Yeah, let's choose everything, and click on export. Once it is done, you will be able to open it, as you can see right here. So this is exactly how it looks like. simply have to do this. As you can see here, gonna open a couple of things. So here you find the card name. Here the table or the workspace, which is which is exams. Here the card name is EC. The board name, as you can see, exams, board ID, lists name is ongoing. So in case you would like to basically remove all of these, you could simply just go here. Let's choose card name and basically um, board name. Yeah, board name would be good. And list name. So these are the things that we want. List name. That's pretty much it. Then click on CSV. Oh, my bad. I have to do it again. Okay. Board name. Um, it's card name again. And list name. Let me just check it again. Yeah, list name. List name. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Click on export. Open it with Excel. And as you can see here, this is how it's gonna look like. Here it is. So this is the CSV one. That's why it's not good looking. But yeah, you can remove these three just like that. And for these three, we can like prepare them, add the board into it, remove this a little bit here, move them to the middle, and basically click shift, and with separation, you can separate all of them. So just like that, we have now this cute little table that has every single information that we need. Of course, that's only a table that I have. Why I choose this simple table, because once I have created these tickets or these lists, I didn't really give them much information. So I only have these three information, which are the list name, the board name, and basically the actual card name. So without without having filter in it, it will be something random, and pretty much all the other cards names are gonna be empty. So that's for the best. Also, let's see what will look like if we had multiple ones. For example, to revise, it has two. So what would it look be? So I'm gonna click on export again, and let's check with it. Here, to revise, it has two export lists. Let's choose it to be an Excel, card name, board name, and list name. Export. Let's open it, and here it is. So this is how it looks when you export it as an Excel file. Here it is, card name. Here it is, the list names, etc., the board names. Everything was well made and very much well organized. And yeah, guys, this is how we can export your boards on Trello. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.